Hey everyone, it's Nate. Welcome to the channel. If you're into motorcycles and want to keep your ride looking fresh, today I'm showing you how to install tank protectors. These are great for protecting your bike from scratches, dings, and just general wear and tear, especially if you're like me and always leaning on the tank while riding, or your riding bag has a little clip on it that dings it up. But let's dive in. First, let me show you the tank protectors we're going to be installing. I went with a rubberized protector with a textured finish, perfect for keeping my gear in place and preventing those scratches. But before we start, let's make sure you got a few things ready. You'll need your tank protector. These are snakeskin tech specs I got online. You're going to need some isopropyl alcohol or cleaning solution and a clean microfiber cloth. Lastly, you'll need some kind of heat source, either a heat gun or hair dryer. I'm going to be using a hair dryer today, but that's all you need to install your tank protectors. It's very simple, and let's get to it. The first step is going to be cleaning the tank. So grab your alcohol and microfiber cloth and wipe down the area where you want the protector to go. You want to remove any dirt, oils, wax, anything else so the adhesive sticks properly. Make sure it's completely dry before moving on. This is really important. I just applied my alcohol to my microfiber. I do have a second microfiber cloth I'm going to use to help dry it off, but we're just going to wipe down all these areas where the adhesive is going to go. What you're going to do is lay the tank protector on the tank without removing the backing. Position it where you want it, but don't press it down yet. Remember, the protectors are side specific. You want to make sure it's perfectly aligned with the lines of the tank. This is to help you know the location when you go to place it. Some people use painter's tape to hold it in place. Today we're just going to eyeball it. Once you know the location or have it held in place with painter's tape, you're going to heat up the adhesive with the heat gun. Today, like I said, I'm going to be using a hair dryer. It works perfectly fine. To do that, you're just going to slowly run the heat across the outer surface of the protector, getting the adhesive sticky before placement. And let me show you what I mean by this. So this is side specific. I'm going to place it here and see how it lines up with this bottom curvature and then up on this curve of the tank. So I think this looks good. When I go to place it, I'm gonna heat it with the heat gun like this with my little hair dryer. Heat up the adhesive, get it really sticky. Once it's good and heated up, I'm gonna remove this cover right here, eyeball it, and then place it on. All right, everybody, I have it heated up. I'm now just going to remove this backing from the adhesive. Careful not to touch the adhesive and mess it up. I'm going to come down here. Remember, we're eyeballing it. So I'm going to see where I want to place it. That looks good there. Let me move this side up just a little bit. Good. Now start from the inside, work it out, out. What you can do is get a roller, or I'm using a socket, and I'm just going to roll it on there, pushing that adhesive in. Be careful not to damage your tank, and I'm just going to push in on these edges. When you're done and you have it placed, you can also take the heat gun to the edges to really heat up that adhesive and get it to stick. You don't want those edges coming up. We're just roll out all these air bubbles, get it nice, flat, and adhered to the tank. Push it in really good. And that's it. And that's it, y'all. So you've just installed your tank protector. Now your bike's ready to handle the ride without worrying about scuffs and scratches or wherever else might be. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in how your bike looks and holds up over time. But I want to thank everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment with any questions or tips you have for bike maintenance. And don't forget to check out my link tree in the description below for more links to gear, bike accessories, as well as all my socials and discount links in there, y'all. I've also posted a link to some awesome merchandise created by Grimware. Be sure to check that out. There's some really cool stuff on that site I think you would all like. But until next time, stay safe, keep riding.